but we work with a lot of partners, and that's why we integrate into systems like SCADA systems that, based on certain triggers, we can then create tickets and be able to help technicians action these.
A great example, just to add to that answer, Adrian, is where you see gradual module degradation. Some of the telltale signs you see in module degradation might be bus bar corrosion, it might be delamination, it could be backsheet failure. Those processes take time before they impact yield. But what you start to see is when the product fails, you start to get rhizo faults on that circuit. And just by correlating the inverter events with the string in the digital twin that's got the suspected product failure, you can make that correlation and then infer that those rhizo faults are probably being caused by that product failing. And that can then catalyze you to increase maybe your inspection cadence on that batch of modules, perhaps, or lead to different sort of maintenance strategies. But so that correlation can be done through the digital twin.